Bust it.
Okay, so at this stage, just plug your PS3 back in and test it, make sure everything's working fine. So turn the power button on at the back. And to turn the PS3 on, you just have to touch this little metal tab just here. Don't press it, all you have to do is just touch it. And it turns on. And then you make sure the disc gets sucked in properly. And then you just have to make sure it works. And that's it, all working. So now you can put it back together. Okay, so next, just put the cover back on. And then put the 7 screws back. So long one goes there, long one there, a long one there, a long one there, a long one in there, and a long one in there, and the short one goes here. Just remember there's an S next to it for short. And then screw them all in. Next, just get your cover in the back, then slide it on. And then just get your PS3 security screw and your PS3 security screwdriver. Screw that on. And put the rubber foot back, and if you want you can put your water sticker back, but it's void anyway. And that's it, all done.
Bust it.